Hi everybody, Paul here, founder of the Legacy Binder Family Preparedness System, and thanks for joining us for this short tutorial video, kind of a little walkthrough demo of the Legacy Binder web app. All right, before we get started, hey, if you could vote us on Product Hunt so that we can spread the message and this app with as many people as possible, that would be awesome. And for those who have read our book of the same title, hey, this is structured just like the book. So we took that same structure out of the book and created the actual web app companion app to go with it. So let's walk through it. So at the top here you have the badge which tells you how complete you are with a Legacy Binder, and this one obviously we are 100% complete with the Legacy Binder. And then the button here that simply downloads and generates your binder for you. We're going to show you how that works here in just a minute. And then down here you can see we have these two red banners that let you know that down here in your still needs list you have set some things that you still need to grab, and it's just letting you know that those are due for you to grab. So every time you log in you see what's due. Now again, we kept this super simple. We went ahead and kept it with the 4 different areas that we have mentioned in the book. Now technically we have employment hub underneath the financial continuity, but we split it out in the binder here just to make it a little easier for folks to find. And again, it's super simple. We have all the sections that you would have built if you built this yourself already built in. And if you hit the continue button here, what it's going to do is it's going to bring you into that page, and you can click to go to wherever you need to go, and it'll scroll you down. We have all the information. And what you do is as you add different pets, right, we have a pop-up with all the different information that you need to add in up here. And then once everything is done with this section, you just move on to the next section. So here we would hit the back button over here, or the return to dashboard button down there. And we come right back to our dashboard. Then we could go into finances, the employment hub, and need to know files. All right, and down here again, the still needs list. Right here, we open it up. It's all divided up so you can let yourself know where it needs to go, where the information you're still needing to add is. And just again, hit the button, little pop-up right there. And there you go. You have the information to go ahead and add in. Next, we'll come back. We'll head back to the dashboard. And here we go. Down here are all the bonus materials that we have, right? So mentioned in the book, for those who like to actually print out a copy of this and hand fill it in, we have the PDF that you can go ahead and fill in. So here is our PDF version, and it's got this. You can see what it looks like here with some of the pictures, and then you can download the fillable or the PDF version for the print, where you print it out and go ahead and fill it in. And we also have down here the Notion template, so you can click here and take a look at the Notion template. We have the walkthrough for it, all the instructions on how to do that. Okay, and the next are all the guides that were mentioned in the book. Here is the page where you can actually download them all out, and some of them are actually interactive where you can actually fill it, and you can see that here. I fill and export, or just printable, and you just open the accordion. You can preview the guide, or you can download the guide. But we have a 20 plus guides in here, all divided up into a couple of different category headings for you. And if you want to kind of close it up so you can see, you can close those out like that. We'll hit back to the dashboard. And the last thing I want to mention is we are very soon going to hopefully be releasing the Legacy Stories system. And this is just going to be a system where you can actually interview those in your life to get their stories and add that to your Legacy Binder so that you can pass on your entire family's legacy to the next generation. And then for those who like reading blog posts, we do have a blog and you can visit it here. All right. So that is how the Legacy Binder Family Preparedness System interactive web app works. If you would like to, again, upvote us on Product Hunt, we would be greatly appreciative of that. And if you guys have any questions about this, go ahead and reach out to hello@thelegacyproject360.com. And we hope you enjoy this application. Cheers.